I found this cute salsa pot at my local grocery store, and it is the perfect pot for some succulents. So I'm going to drill a hole at the bottom using my drill and a diamond bit where my faucet is at, and that way I can drill. Start off by trying to make a groove, that way it doesn't slide so slowly. Make a groove on it. And it's done. You can see there the holes, and now I can turn my water off. And you can see we got a nice clean hole. Okay, so now that my hole is done, I can put in my soil. This is just cocoa coir mixed in with charcoal and perlite and some pumice to help with drainage. And that's what we're gonna use. So I'm gonna put a little bit in my pot. And I have this beautiful Graptovaria blue pearl. And so I'm going to carefully place that on top as straight as possible. There we go. And that looks perfect there. And now I'm just gonna add more soil in there to finish covering it up. Any drop leaves like this one I can put on the side and it'll grow extras. I just broke 2 more off. Okay, well 2 more broke off, so those I'm just gonna go placing on the side, and hopefully those will grow there. Usually they do. Okay, and I added some decorative stone, and that's it. I think it looks great.